Welcome to the part 2 of the video. The only change that I did, that it was wrong in the previous one, we were calling the function outside the student manage class. We just need to put inside. Okay, so we're still inside the student manager class. We are going to create now the function to sort. So we're going to put private because it's going to be just inside the manager, void because it will not return anything, and the name is going to be the same here, insertion sort. Okay, so you see it's not red underlined anymore because now we are calling this function here. Okay, so I'm gonna go slow to explain this function, how it's gonna sort the array, right? So first we need to define a variable we're gonna call n to determine the size of the array. So students.size. Okay, that's n. Now we're gonna create a loop. We're gonna use a for loop. I'm gonna use I. So I is gonna start as 1. I cannot be, it has to be minor than n because the index starts from 0 and the size starts from 1. So we cannot put equal here. It has to be only minor. And we're gonna add, every time the loop runs, we're gonna add one more integer to I index. All right, so now we have our loop. What is the next step? So now we need to get the value of j. Actually, we can even maybe put j. Yeah, we can put j here. So j, let's put here, j is equal I minus 1, and it's an integer. Because let's say we have an array here, whatever, let's put whatever here. So 1 is here, so I is here, and j is gonna be here. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work. Yeah, let's put inside the loop actually. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to check if this number is higher than this one. If it is higher, we're gonna swap. So if the array or the list array was like that, we need to swap those two. So we need to do this testing now. Okay, so now we're gonna create a while loop. So actually we can create a key as well. So let's create a key. I guess we can put the key whatever, but let's do here. Student key is gonna be equal to student, and then get, actually need to put inside the loop, sorry, because we're gonna use the index. Okay, get I. Okay, so key is a variable. The data type of this variable is a student. There is an instance of this class. And then we are getting the object in the index I. So in this case would be true is any value of the object, but we can have like a bunch of values. For example, true can be like how many years the student is in the university, and you can also have the name. In this example, we only have like the ID number, the first name and last name, but it could be like a lot of other things. But we are gonna filter only using the student ID number. That's how we're gonna sort. Okay, so now we can create another loop. So we can create a while loop, and this while loop, we're gonna have two conditions. First one, j cannot be minor than 0. Or yeah, so while j is higher or equal than 0, the loop is going to keep running, And we also gonna have another condition that is gonna be, okay, that is gonna be students, that is the list, dot. So now we are gonna do this comparison here, okay? So student dot get, we're gonna get j dot id number. If j is higher than key, because key already put is students dot get I, so we just need to put another ID number. If this condition is true, right, if both of these conditions are true, we need to swap them. So first we need to move the j, right, the index j, the value of the index j here, the 4, is going to go to true, and then true is going to come back. So how are we going to do that? So to do that, we're going to use what is the code? We're going to use, oh my gosh, I forgot the name of, let me just double check here. Sorry for that. We're going to use sat. Oh my gosh, yeah. We're going to use sat. Sorry. So sat, how does it work? We're going to put here students.sat, and now we're going to show where the index of the new value, the value that is going to be replaced. So now we want to replace j plus 1. So here's j, we want to go to j plus 1. So we're going to put j plus 1. And which value it's going to take? It's going to take the value of j. So students dot get dot j, parenthesis j. Okay, and sorry for my typo here. All right, and then j minus minus should decrease the value of j. Here we are not summing, okay? Here is just showing the location. Now we're going to decrease the value of j, and then outside of the loop, we need to put the value back here, the 2, right? To do that, we're going to use set again. So we're going to do, students.set j plus 1, because j was reduced here, right? So j is here, so we need to put j plus 1, so j is going to go back here. And then the value is going to be key dot get I. Key dot get I, or only key, I think actually. Okay, only key, yeah, because you already put here that key is students.I. So yeah, that's the insertion sort part. And then I'm gonna do a third video explaining the binary search, and then just the main program to run everything and show that it is working. All right.